So, Chapter 3, Season 1 of Fortnite has been kind of dead. So I'm here in Minecraft. As you can see, we've created some Among Us character looking TNT thing. And that's Tyler's house in Bedrock, obviously, over there. Because, yeah, as you can clearly see,
yeah,
we're about to blow this up.
Exactly.
I've been very bored lately, so have nothing else to do in my life. Hey, Tyler, do the honors.
Okay. Let's see. Among Us.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh! Tasting!
Jesus. Oh, yo.
Still. Oh my.
Woo. Okay.
Still.
Well, shall we fill this whole thing up? All that?
I'm checking my house, you know.
I don't know, just say if you think we should fill that whole thing up. Yeah.
We'll do it again, but not now.
Yeah, later.
Another time.
Yeah.
Definitely.